I think the dog's pretty bored today. Molly! Molly? I think she wants to play. Nobody's at the house. I have the whole house to myself for the next couple of hours. I'm gonna take a shower. Alright, let me get dressed. Hey, I'm dressed. Let's go. So if you probably haven't guessed it already, it's thundering outside, it's raining. Not that great of a day. I made a couple videos. Go check them out. This is a good time to. I made an article called Why Play Video Games. Go check it out. I'll leave it in the description. What are you doing? This is Recon. You don't see him that much. He's always hiding. Oh my god, you hear that? Let's go outside. I would usually just play video games today, but I've been doing so much recently. I've been playing video games in about like 4 days. But I always find it nice to read a book when it's raining like this. It's dark, you hear that noise in the background. It's just, I feel like it's a good book reading environment. Alright, let me wipe your feet. Hold on, let's go. Come on, Lola. Lola! Lola, let's go. Go. Hold on, hold on. Come on, Molly. Mom just got home. Dog's usually waiting right next to the door for her to come home. I have lights flickering in my house. Freaking storms. If you guys never had a peanut butter, toasted peanut butter jelly sandwich, grape jelly, the only jelly, with barbecued chips, you're missing out. Finishing up the laundry. It's time to feed the pets. Hello. There you go. Sun's out. Hey, Recon. Feels much better outside, not as dark. There's days like this where you just want to sleep all day. I'm gonna need 4